How to choose the best wheel spacers? Wheel spacers are designed for solving rubbing issues while providing a sporty look. Keeping the wheel back spacing correct allows enough room for the suspension, brake and steering system to operate without interference from the wheels. With various thickness wheel spacers, you push the wheels and tires out to the position you want. This is helpful to create a more aggressive wheel stance. Besides, installing wheel spacers also provide the stability and rollover resistance. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075-T6 and 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provides a perfect solution. With this outstanding advantage, it's clear that BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers offer exceptional safety, durability, and professionals. Whether you are upgrading the aesthetics or improving the handling, BONOSS provides products that meet the highest standards of performance and quality.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!